Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell Notion templates. Let's get started. Open Notion and design your template. For example, let's create a weekly planner template with sections for tasks, goals, and notes. Customize it to suit your preferences and style. Once your template is ready, click on the Share button in Notion and select Publish. Copy the generated link to share your template with others. Now, let's package your template for sale. Open a design tool like Canva and create a text document. Paste the link to your Notion template into the document and format it as desired. Save the file as a PDF. Next, head over to Gumroad, a platform for selling digital products. Create a new product listing for your Notion template. Fill in all the necessary details for your product listing, including title, description, pricing, and any other relevant information. Then, upload the PDF file containing your template. Once everything is set up, publish the page on your Gumroad store. Your Notion template is now available for sale. Thanks for watching.